What I'm going to show you guys is a home workout, which you can do this at home. And even though you're just like lazy like that, you can. It's very easy to follow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can feel it here. If you don't feel, maybe your position is not good. And 12, and then 12 on the other side. The same process. So yan, that's another one.